Hello. In this video you will see new NFT that will be minted on the Solana blockchain. In the end you will also get bonus NFT, so keep watching to the end. You will not get any financial advice, and you must do your own research. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you can be updated when a new video is uploaded. Kawaii Factory Volume 2. Price, 0.11 Sol. Collection, 777 items. Category, Collectible. Kawaii Factory Volume 2 is a collection of 777 NFT that will be minted on October 15, 2022 at the price of 0.11 Sol. Kawaii Factory, this is a real cute collection generator. But these are not all our advantages. We have developed this project to bring as many benefits to our community as possible. We will not tell you buy our NFTs for the sake of art, this is not our way. We have our own strategy for the development of the project together with our community. We will learn and develop together to create a famous and large project. Stoned Hippies Realm. Price, 1.5 Sol. Collection 2,222 items. Category, Collectible. Stoned Hippies Realm is a collection of 2,222 NFT that will be minted on October 15, 2022 at the price of 1.5 Sol. During the late 1960s, the year of the magic bus, there were thousands of counterculture travelers who made their way to Afghanistan. The go-to tea house called the Sijis in Kabul was the haven for those who honored music, and this is where these 7 hippies met and instantly got connected through their love for music. Having traveled from all parts of the world to Netherlands, France, Switzerland, Italy, into Greece, Turkey and crossed into Afghanistan. While most of the travelers continued onto their hippie trail to explore love and liberation, only these 22 hippies remained in the same. Almost 6 decades down the line, these last remaining hippies from that era have secretly built a community of stoned hippies rooted in their love for music. Psych League. Price, 0.05 Sol. Collection, 5,555 items. Category, Utility. Psych League is a collection of 5,555 NFT that will be minted on October 16, 2022 at the price of 0.05 Sol. We are the biggest Solana tournament so far, rewarding the first places with and many other prizes for participants in Season 1. Yes, you can participate in further seasons. This is your place for the fun. 512 Psychs will qualify for the Psych League. The battles always end in death for the losers. Many will die even before the tournament will start. The community decides who will win. The qualifying will be very engaging, nerve-wracking and fun. Definitely something you didn't experience so far and not want to miss. Bikini Bottom Reversed. Price, 2.5 Sol. Supply, 5,000 items. Category, Collectible. Psych League is a collection of 5,000 NFT that will be minted on October 16, 2022 at the price of 2.5 Sol. From Bikini Bottom, straight into Solana's blockchain. 5,000 randomly generated 3D character coming to overtake the space. Each character own 9 traits with unique specials and the opportunity of staking our Krabby Burger token. Baby Mafia. Price, to be announced. Collection, to be announced. Category, Metaverse. Baby Mafia is a collection of NFT that will be minted on October 17, 2022 at the price of to be announced. A by Mafia, BM, is targeting both digital and IRL opportunities. Our characters and themes are specifically designed with streetwear, merch, toys, animation, gaming and metaverse integration in mind. Our goal is to create long-term growth and return value to our community and partners, and bring more visibility to the Solana network by growing the BM brand to its maximum potential. MXXN World. Price, 2 Sol. Collection, 5,555 items. Category, Collectible. MXXN WRLD is a collection of 5,555 NFT that will be minted on October 17, 2022 at the price of 2 Sol. MXXN WRLD is a premier multi-niche company launching exclusively on Solana. Through beautiful and unique art and exclusive Web 2 and Web 3 partnerships, MXXN WRLD aims to bring significant holder value while developing a sustainable multi-niche business. Shogun's Treasure. Price 1.5 Sol. Collection 10,000 items. Category Collectible. Shogun's Treasure is a collection of 10,000 NFT that will be minted on October 18, 2022 at the price of 1.5 Sol. The gold of the Shogun is a legendary treasure that has corrupted souls since its discovery by the king of the yokai 600 years ago. Composed of 1,000 enchanted gold coins, it gives its master an evil power that allows him to enslave all his enemies and instill fear in the hearts of his competitors. For 200 years, the gold of the shoguns has been in the hands of the filthy Lord Tokugawa, who uses his might to hold Japan with an iron fist. Solana Nerds. Price 0.65 Sol. Collection 4,500 items. Category Profile Picture. Solana Nerds is a collection of 4,500 NFT that will be minted on October 18, 2022 at the price of 0.65 Sol. Solana Nerds is a PFP NFT collection that consists of 4,500 nerds. Our mission is to build the most trusted alpha community, build a Web3 streetwear brand, and provide a program that teaches you how to start your own NFT project by hosting lecture classes with Web3 experts. Horror Phallus. A collection on Solana blockchain containing 666 unique NFTs. The project is inspired by the horror and fear on TV screens, in books and thrilling stories. You will be able to recognize most of the characters in this collection. Get in their project by collecting the exclusive Horror Phallus NFTs. See their roadmap for our future plans, including our augmented reality app Horror Fellow Fusion feature. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Then you will receive a notification every time I post a new video.